Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. Okay, first things first, on your iPhone, you are going to go to Settings. Next is you want to scroll down until you see Snapchat. Tap on it, then tap on Notifications. In here, you'll be able to see time-sensitive notifications. As you can see, it will always deliver immediately. So, if you are on a focus mode or do not disturb focus mode, Snapchat messages or snaps will be delivered no matter what focus mode you are on. To disable time-sensitive notifications from Snapchat, you want to go ahead and toggle the switch to the left-hand side to switch it off. And now, once you do this, time-sensitive notifications from Snapchat will be disabled. So, there you go. That is how to turn off the time-sensitive notifications on your Snapchat app, running on your iPhone. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.